Okay, guys. So, I got my new air horn. So, yep. Here it is. I just got my new air horn from Walmart app. So yeah, but this is for my electric scooter. So every why I ordered my new air horn, because this is for my electric scooter. So yeah, let me show you what's gonna look like when I put it. Alright, as you can see, that's where I'm gonna put my air horn on my electric scooter. It'll be right here facing forward. It'll be right here where you'll be sitting. So yeah. Alright, let's go and unbox it. Oh man, it's freezing cold. Here it is. Make sure you screw it on. See? Yeah. Alright, here it is. That's my new air horn. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to shit the camera. Alright, I'm about to go ahead and put the air horn on my scooter. I will have to show you guys. Wait. Let me show you something first. Just look at it. This is my old one. This is my brand new one. They're both exactly the same. So yeah. But it's the same. Because they both look exactly the same. So yeah. It's really cool. Alright guys. It's gonna take like 8 minutes until I gotta put my horn into my electric scooter. So I'll see you guys in 8 minutes when I put my new air horn on my scooter. Alright guys. Here it is. I put some taping rope on it on my electric scooter. This is what my air horn look like now on my scooter. So yeah, this is my electric scooter. So yeah. But it's really cool. I thought that air horn will be really loud enough to get a driver's a changing or something, or it could be an emergency, something like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna use it just in case this is my electric horn right there, the black one. It's not loud enough. If it's not loud enough, I'm using this air horn, so it's loud enough. So yeah. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Thanks. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and wait. Oh, please don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the like button. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the next video. Until next time. Peace out.